So I just found out that my favorite thrift store is open today for the first time since the middle of March. And so I jumped right up and I am on my way to go check it out. I am so excited. I haven't been there in months. It's months. So we're mid-June. It's been almost 3 months since I've been to this thrift store. I'm just walking out to my car and the puppies are hanging out. Okay, I have to be home in less than 2 hours for a really important Zoom meeting, so I am going to head there now, but I'm going to take you with me because I'm so excited. And I actually saw Pine and Prospect Home shared her first thrifting trip since her store was open back up since it had been closed, and I loved going along thrifting with her, so I thought I would bring you guys with me too. So here we go. From the thrift store. It was a great grand reopening. There were so many people there, which kind of made it hard to film in there. Also, I was so excited I didn't grab a cart or anything, so I was trying to like lug all of this stuff while also taking videos and pictures along the way. But I thought I would go through and show you everything that I found there and the prices, because that's always something that I find interesting, is hearing how much people get stuff for. Before I do that, I just want to let you know I do have an ebook. It's free. I'll put the link down in the description here, but I shared all of my secrets for finding antiques for super cheap, if not free. So I'll link that here if you want to read that. Like I said, it's free, and I'll put the link down below. Alright, so one of the first things I found was this really cool Crock. It's a vintage Crock with the 2 blue stripes. This was $3, so a super good price on this. I'm not sure what size it is. I would guess it's probably around like half a gallon or something. Perfect for flowers. And then another thing that I found pretty early on, which was also the heaviest thing, was this huge, I don't know what you would call it, a vase. I'm going to use it for floral arrangements, and also it's just such a statement piece. I could put it on cabinets and things like that. It's heavy. It's really heavy. It has the Lois on the bottom, so it looks like ironstone. It has the crazing, but I think it might be porcelain. Not too sure, but I love the detail on the handles and that it's a nice big heavy piece. I also found these floral paintings. I believe they're actual paintings because they're textured. They're very old. They have the nails in the back. I got these for $5 each. They're not signed or anything, but I always like when I find old prints or paintings in pairs like this. Perfect for things like gallery walls or empty spaces on your wall, even just using to style shelves. I also found this, maybe an old chamber pot or something. It was only $1. This is gonna make a perfect planter, or again, just to put on a shelf. I also like sticking old paintbrushes in these. Yeah, just super handy. This basket looks pretty old. I don't see the tag on this, but this basket was only a couple dollars, and I thought it would be perfect for picking flowers because the sides are so low. I like to keep a basket when I pick flowers, and a lot of times it's hard to get them kind of like in the basket, so this way they can just lay right across. One of my favorite finds was this old kitchen timer. I kind of have a mini collection of old kitchen timers started unintentionally. I just think they're so cute, and this is probably the coolest one that I've ever found. I'll take a picture to show you close up, but it's white chippy and just super old. I really love this one. I splurged a little bit on this. This was $5. And then a little flower frog. This is a square one, which I'm not sure if I have a pointy square flower frog. 50 cents, can't go wrong with that. These make a super cute display, but also really good for flower arranging. And then on the way home, there was a garage sale that I stopped at quick, which was mostly stuff that I wouldn't buy. There wasn't any old stuff until I found this one box when I was getting ready to leave, and I found this old silverware in it, some knives and some short forks. I believe they're all silver plated. I like using silver plated silverware, and all of our silverware is mix and match, and I just love it. I think it adds so much detail and character to our table settings. But we didn't have any of these short forks, so I was really excited to find these. I got all this for $3. So yeah, some pretty great finds. I also found this amazing antique table at the thrift store. I could not get it in my car because the legs did not come off, but I am working on getting that, so I will be showing that in a video to come. Hopefully we can get it home because it was such an amazing piece of furniture and an absolute steal. So hopefully I'll be sharing that in a future video. But this was my antique haul from today. It was so fun getting back to the thrift store. I hope you enjoyed going thrifting with me. Let me know if you have any questions about thrifting, or if you want to see more videos like this. Let me know in the comments below. Also, please hit subscribe to just be notified of new videos that I make. But you could also follow along on Instagram at Diana Marie Home, where I share daily updates of how I make cozy spaces in our 1800s farmhouse on a budget. And more recently, I've been sharing a lot about our garden space. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.